In the series of peer learning sessions, we are here with another video on the topic green energy. So first of all, let's see what is green energy. Green energy is any energy type that is generated from natural resources such as sunlight, wind, or water. Green energy utilizes energy sources that are readily available all over the world, including in rural and remote areas that don't otherwise have access to electricity. In order to be called a green energy, a resource cannot produce pollution. This means that all renewable energy cannot be called as green energy. People often confuse renewable energy and green energy to be the same thing, but it's not quite simple as that. Renewable energy is generally defined as energy that comes from a natural resource, whereas green energy concerns power that is clean, sustainable, or eco-friendly and has a minimal impact on the environment. For example, power generation that burns organic material from sustainable forest may be renewable, but it is not necessarily green due to the CO2 produced by the burning. Here are the types of green energy, namely solar power, wind power, hydropower, geothermal energy, biomass, and biofuels. Now we will briefly describe all the types of green energy. Solar power. It is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity by using photovoltaic cells. Solar energy is the cleanest and the most abundant form of green energy. Solar energy has now become affordable enough to be used for domestic purposes such as cooking, lighting, etc. Wind power. It is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generators for electric power. It has a very small impact on the environment compared to burning fossil fuels. Historically, wind power in the form of windmills has been used for centuries for tasks such as grinding grain and pumping water, and in the modern world, it can be used to produce electricity. Hydropower. Hydropower is the power derived from the energy of falling or fast running water from rivers, dams, etc., which may be harnessed for useful purposes. Like wind energy, hydropower energy is mostly used for electricity generation and it accounts for almost 20% of the total global electricity generation. Geothermal energy. It is the heat that comes from the subsurfaces of the earth. It is contained in the rocks and fluids beneath the earth's crust. Geothermal energy has been used for bathing in hot springs for thousands of years, and the same resources can be used for steam to turn turbines and generate electricity. Biomass. Biomass energy is energy generated or produced by living or once living organisms. Biomass power plants use wood waste, sawdust, agricultural waste to create energy. It is the best alternative of fossil fuels as it is carbon neutral and less expensive than fossil fuels, and it is widely available so. Biofuel. Biofuel is a fuel that is produced through contemporary processes from biomass. The organic material used in biomass can be transformed into biofuels such as bioethanol and biodiesel. Biofuels are one of the largest sources of renewable energy in use today. They can be used for transportation, energy generation, household works, etc. Now we'll see why is green energy important. Green energy is important for the environment as it replaces the negative effects of fossil fuels with more environment-friendly alternatives. Can it be economically viable? Understanding the economic viability of green energy requires a comparison with fossil fuels. The fact is that as easily reached fossil resources begin to run out, the cost of this type of energy will only increase with scarcity. At the same time, as fossil fuels become more expensive, the cost of greener energy resources is falling. Other factors also work in favor of green energy, such as the ability to produce relatively inexpensive localized energy solutions such as solar farms. As a result, green energy can not only become economically viable but also the preferred option. The conclusion of the video is that green energy looks set to be a part of the future of the world, offering a cleaner alternative to many of today's energy sources. These energy sources are not just good for the environment but are also leading to job creation and look set to become economically viable as developments in all the fields continue. Thank you.